Hello and welcome to the Box Springs Library computer tutorial. We'll be working with Microsoft Word to create a document that will be used throughout our weekly lessons to produce a fully finished Word document, learning basic steps along the way. I have typed a small paragraph to use, so please follow along and don't worry about any spelling, grammar, or punctuation at this point because we will cover those in future videos. So let's get started. Now that we have completed the document, we will save it to our desktop for easy access to continue with next week's tutorial. You can name your Word document whatever you like, but I have already saved mine. So please join in next week for part 2 of 9 videos we'll be using for this Word document. And remember, if you need help, please visit the Box Springs Library where our staff will be glad to help guide you in the right direction.